Tabbouleh is a Mediterranean salad traditionally served as part of a meze, made with parsley, tomatoes, cucumbers, and bulgur. In place of bulgur, I'm making a grain-free version of tabbouleh by using crumbled tofu. First, we'll prepare our crumbled tofu using Nasoya Extra Firm Tofu. The secret to getting that perfect meaty texture is to freeze and thaw out your tofu beforehand. This extra step will also remove excess moisture and help absorb our marinade. Now I'm going to crumble it to resemble bulgur. Next, we'll combine cucumbers, tomatoes, and a pinch of salt. After 10 minutes, we'll drain off any excess liquid. Place the lemon juice and garlic in a bowl and let them infuse for 5 minutes. To assemble the tabbouleh, we'll combine the tofu, parsley, mint, green onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, and spices. Gently mix. We'll finish this with the infused lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. There you have it, tofu tabbouleh with parsley, tomatoes, cucumbers, chilies, and sumac. A delicious salad full of plant-based protein. Enjoy!